How to download GTA Vice City in your PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application and at the top search bar type in www.rockstargames.com. As you do so, you will land onto this page and click onto the search bar. Here type in GTA Vice City. As you do so, various search results will come up. Scroll below and click onto the one that says Vice City. Now, in order to download this game onto your PC, click onto Buy Now option from your left hand side. Click on PC Buy Now. Now, just like so, get logged into your account and from there, go again back to this website. Here you will see launch instead of buy now once you sign into your account, and that is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.